Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I would be, sharing with you the second episode of Teams Admin Center that we, left out. So we left out at users. So the next thing that we would look after is meetings, and on the meetings we have numerous tabs. You can see the first thing is conference bridge, the meeting policies, meeting settings, live event policies, and live event settings. So we have different settings and policies for different sort of meetings that we have in under Teams, and we have seen that. So now we would move on to messaging policies. And if you would just look into messaging policies, we would have all the policies wherein you can manage or control the chat within a channel, or one-to-one chat as well. So you can manage that as well. So we have global policy. As of now, I do not have any custom policy created over here, but in future if you want to just create a global custom policy, so you can click on add and make changes and just name it and just save accordingly as per requirement. So the next thing that we have is Teams application, and on the Teams application we have three things, which is manage apps, permission policies, and setup policies. So basically Teams does have a predefined application store for Microsoft Teams, wherein you can add third-party applications and Microsoft created applications within your Teams application. So we have a Teams application store as well. So from there you can take those applications and attach it to Teams. So the next thing that we have is voice. So you can see this is a huge tab, I would say, wherein we have numerous or many tabs under one tab. And we have phone numbers, emergency policies, dial plans, direct routing, voice routing policies, call queues, auto attendance, call parking policies, calling policies, and caller ID policies. So basically I would share all the details about these, and it all comes under the phone system that you take from Microsoft. And the phone system gives you enables you for a calling system within your tenant, and for outside the tenant as well, and even for international calling as well. So we have different policies and different settings that are under here. And you also have the call queue creation setting and the auto attendance setting over here as well. So these two are the things. And we also have direct routing settings over here. So if you want to explore more, you can just expand this tab and go through the things. And I would also share the links with you regarding the documents about voice, so that you can go through it one by one. And the next thing that we have is policy packages. Basically policy packages, it's a kind of the policies that we have, different policies that I previously shown you, like messaging policies or meeting policies, or team app policies. So Microsoft, what they did is they have clubbed all those policies in particular name, and they have given a particular name to it that consists of a package. It's a sort of package that would give you numerous policies under one particular package. So that is the basic idea, and you can assign this to your users, to your students, your faculties. And this is basically it is very useful for business users and education tenants that we have, like schools and colleges and universities. So that is very useful for them. And the next thing that we have is analytics and reports, under which we have usage report. So under usage report we have different reports, sort of reports that are available for us, which is Teams app usage, and the PSTN blocked users, and the minutes, the PSTN minutes that you're using with your calling plans, and Teams device usage as well, and the live event usage that you are your company is using live events and how much they are using it. So it would give you the detail about it. And then we have Teams usage as well. And also we have Teams user activity, wherein you would see how much users are involved or indulged in Microsoft Teams. So you can just select the date range also. It's about 7 days and last 20 days, and you can run the report, and you can also download those reports, and you can have it as in CSV format. So everything that we have under Teams Admin Center, basically it is available in .csv folder or file format. So you can just download it, and you can share those sheets or reports with your higher management as well, but if required. So the next thing that we have is org wide settings, wherein we have numerous tabs like external access, guest access, team settings, teams upgrade, and holidays and resource accounts. So people, when we create a call queue and an auto attendant, we need to make sure that we have created resource accounts prior to that, so that we can manage, or we can link those call queues and auto attendants with these resource accounts. So we would further do videos on this particular thing. It would take a lot of time on this. So and the next thing that we have is planning, and this is for your team's planning, the network planning that you want to do for your tenant. If you want to plan and restrict users within some circumstances, or conditions that you want to for your network, so that that they would use that much bandwidth of the network that is available for them. And so that is how you can do it. And we also have teams advisor on that, so it would give you some sort of advisory how to proceed with the same. And the next thing that we have is a shortcut URL, and for a legacy portal, which is otherwise called as Sky for Business Admin Center. And if you click on this, it would open up a new tab over in your browser, and you can go through the settings that we have under the legacy portal. And the next thing also that we have is call quality dashboard. This is also a shortcut. You have when I'm hovering over this shortcut, it is giving me URL of it. You can see it over here, which is cqd.teams.microsoft.com. And over here you would have all the call quality that you have, and the report you can have it as in CSV4 file folder. And that is also, you can share it with your management and team, so that you can show this is the usage and everything. So this is how, guys, this is all about the Teams Admin Center. So we have covered it, everything. And please let me know if you have further queries related to the same. And further, I would do detailed videos on this as well in upcoming later videos or episodes. So please stay tuned, guys, and thank you for sharing this love. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and share it with your colleagues and people who need great knowledge about this, or to those who want to transit their company into Teams, and they want to use Teams in their vicinity. So please help them grow, and let me know if I can be any help, and I'll provide you an extended help.